Radhika. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube space. And in today's video, I am going to show you everything that I bought from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, and I'm going to review everything. So without wasting any further moment, let's just dive into the video. So the first product I've got is this L'Oreal serum. Now I have to tell you, I got it because a lot of people around me were talking about it, and initially I thought it's overhyped, it's just sponsored content. But then I checked a lot of non-sponsored content and I felt super genuine, so I got this one, and now I understand what the hype is all about. It's completely worth it. Basically, it can be used before shampoo, before drying, before styling, as a finishing tool, and as an overnight treatment. Wow! Also, I do not go for hair serums because they make my bouncy hair super flat. But this one didn't do at all like that. Like you guys could see, I've used it, and it's super bouncy, super shiny. Also, I used it for my mom. My mom has like frizzy and thick and non-shiny hair, and it did do wonder. Obviously, her hair could not fall straight like mine did because obviously our pattern and her texture are different. But in and all, this product is absolutely worth it. I love the packaging. It also has a lock, and I was concerned about it because I am clumsy and things spill. So it has a lock, so that's nice. Also, this is for 500 rupees. I think the product that offering in 500 and the quantity and everything, it's completely worth it. Again, I got it on offer, so I bought it, but I would not mind investing my 500 rupees on something like this. So I got two skincare products from Biotique. I have used their cucumber toner, and that's one of the best toner I've ever used. So I thought I should give these products a try. Before I could say anything, I have to say that Biotique is completely underrated. The products are absolutely beautiful, advanced Ayurveda, and I'll tell you why did I feel it so. Because I have been using these two products since last 2 days, right? I've received it 2 days before, and I've been using it regularly like a nice student, like a nice skincare student, and I had terrible acne. Not only these two products have controlled my acne, it has reduced it, and it has given me shiny skin. I know it's too early to judge skincare products, it's been just 2 days, but I have used a lot of products to say that yeah, this is my tribe. Now this one is Biotique Neem Purifying Face Wash. This is for 65 bucks, but I got it for 35, so like, here are you. I don't know what was that. And this is a spot correcting anti-acne cream, and it's basically made for winters. So I think this is, I think this, it's completely on you. There are duplicates, but this product is for acne. Like girls, trust me. Also, just one problem, it smells like Jhandu balm. It does. And when I applied, I could sense a bit of, I think it's healing something. I could sense a bit tingling. So yeah, hands up to both of these products. You all know that I've been a Maybelline girl since I remember, and I really wanted to make a switch because I really want to try new products. So I tried these one. These are from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and Photo Focus Concealer, and I have to tell you, this has been the best purchase of my life. I have to tell you this. The cost is very similar to the Maybelline one, and the quantity is exactly the same amount. I think the concealer is 5 gram more than the Maybelline one, so I don't regret. And also and also the way I found my shade is there's a website called as Foundation, and all you have to do is put one correct shade. Like I knew my Maybelline shade, so I did put that, and they gave me all the list of all the brands and all the shades which are similar to the Maybelline one, and this is how I got it. The coverage is great. It is a bit thick than the Maybelline one, but extremely light, so that's the reason I think the coverage is nice. The concealer is again, flawless, blendable, flawless. The color is absolutely great, perfectly warm. And one more thing that I realized, that this is not shipped by Nykaa. This is by Hawk Makeup. It has a sticker that says it's from www.hawkmakeup, and I get it why, because Wet n Wild is not available in India, and Hawk is the only website that gets an international brand over here. So I think Nykaa has partnered, or I don't know what, but yeah, these two are great. Again, I'll just read my shade. For the concealer, I am in light medium beige, and in the foundation I am golden beige. So if you're looking forward for a shift, this has to be your go-to. You all know that I shave my face, and the last time I got a shaver from a Nykaa was the one, and I happened to lose it, but I found it back again. But then I realized I need to have more, so I got these three. HP Bronson. I would link down all the products, but I would not really suggest buying you these because it's not that comfortable. The steel is very thin. You have to be very cautious. So the last razor I got from Nykaa itself, so I'm gonna link down that. You should not be buying these. That one is much better. But if nothing is available, then this is not an issue. You just be very careful because it's super sharp and super thin. Okay. Well, I got a beauty blender from the same brand, Bronson, the shaver were from. Well, not a huge fan of this one. I've used better one. I don't think so I would buy it again. But yeah, the color is cute, does the job. I would use it, I won't throw it, but obviously won't buy it again. The most awaited product for me was this one. This is Smashbox Duo with Malvika Sitlani. Now, the minis are actually minis, and the one I'm wearing right now, this gorgeous color, is Driver's Seat. Before I start with the cost and everything, my best friend Mansi did shout at me for spending $1,000 on something so many. But after she used it and she went out with this, she realized that yes, investing in these is very smart. And I'll tell you why. I made a lot of friends of mine with different shades, like different complexion, use these, and I can come to a point that these shades are made for Indian tones. Very versatile, very sophisticated. Second, they are pigmented but they do not stick. Like if you have used Maybelline's Stay Matte or Sugar, you could see that they are very heavy, and once you do this, you would see your lips sticking. This doesn't happen with these. I don't know what formula do they have, but they have some oil like argan oil or priming oil. So they are super light, super pigmented. They stay for so long. But again, I don't feel like, even right now, I don't feel like I have like lipstick. But when I see in the mirror, oh, it's like a very bright shade. So I would not suggest it to any person who is in the college. Like, do not splurge your parents' money on this. But someone who is earning or has a special day coming, like a birthday or like something that is special, go for it. And someone who has a regular budget of 1,000 for lipsticks, then yeah, you should not be thinking for anything else. I have got a lot of lipsticks, I am telling you. This is Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the stunning shade Coral Flip. I am obsessed with this shade. I am obsessed. Also, if you want to see the swatches of all these lipsticks, you need to check my Instagram reel section. This is my Instagram, so do find me there and see all the swatches. Now, I have been a Lakme lipstick girl since real long. I've been using Vintage Pink. That's my color. That's my nude. I've like emptied 4-5 bottles. So I was very confident with this particular product. I was a bit worried about what color I would get, because honestly their shade range on Nykaa is not the best to go forward with. Like the color that I have in my hand right now and the color that I saw on website, it's completely different. But as I knew that this color would be this way because I've been using Lakme, it was very easy for me. So if you want to buy this one, do check out swatches for other people, or else go to the shop and then sort of try it. Again, I got it on 50% off. This is usually for 750, 800. But yay! Nykaa Pink Friday sale. If you are from my Instagram, you know that I love this product. I actually have this one. This is about to end, so I got this one. And I got it on 50% off again. It's 750, 800 again, and getting it on 50% off was like, wow, और कुछ चाहिए नहीं मुझे. And this is the best mask I've ever used. This gives me instant glow. I know there are a lot of what I could say strong ingredients in it, and that's the reason it gives me such nice effects. So that's the reason I don't use it every week or something. I would use it before something special, maybe like a date or an interview or birthday. So yeah, this is more like a special mask, and I didn't tell you what it is. It's Glow Mask by the Beauty Co. It's the peel off one activated charcoal glitter mask. It's really nice, but I have to tell you that although it works amazingly, it has some cons. You might feel a bit tingly, your eyes might burn, and it doesn't smell really nice. But if you believe that beauty comes to an expense, then that's beauty comes to a cost, then that's the cost. I have repurchased it, so I'm obviously in the favor because the glow I get, after everything I go through, it's nice. I got two nail paints. This is the one I bought and this is the one I got free because there was an offer on Wet n Wild. Talking about this one, the color doesn't look great like this, but when I used it, it's what a sluttery red. I mean, wow, I've fallen for it. I think if this is over, I don't mind repurchasing, but I haven't seen the cost because free mein mila. But I'll check it out and I'll put it in the link. Sorry, I'll put it in the description. Now talking about this one, it's Mink Muffin. It's 261. Again, the best nail paint color I have seen in so many times. Like because I want something that would not pop out but look like my finger and make me look more presentable, because I speak so much like this and I talk like I show you products and all stuff. So for me, nail paint is really important. And also my mother says a groom women would always have nail enamel. It's like you can't have your nail naked. And I got a mascara for myself. I know I haven't used it, but trust me, I've been a Maybelline girl, you all know that, and I've used it my entire college life, so I can give you a review without using it. Price point is really nice. I also got it on offer. It's usually for 400 bucks and it's waterproof. What else do you want from a mascara that comes around 400 bucks? There's no other replication of this one at this price point. I don't know why did I choose this product. So basically I wanted to buy a primer and I was going overboard with my budget. So I figured out something that would be in my budget, something that I have never used, because as I said, I wanted to try something different this time, and I got this one and it sucks. I would not say it sucks, but I mean it comes for 300. Forget about the offer it has, but there are so many better primers in the same price range. And no, yeah, I would not suggest. And we come to the end of this video. I hope this was helpful and also you liked watching it. Again, this is my Instagram. I put a lot of videos there, a lot of styling content, makeup, skincare, tip, tricks, and a lot of things. Basically, every girl would want to see this sort of content and it would help you. So don't forget to check me out. Also, can we please just say, Radhika, your makeup was great today. If you guys want a small video on this one, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.